Hello students. Today I am going to discuss about the syllabus of your second year third semester. As you know, our university has given us two papers for studying in each semester for a particular subject. So in physics we have paper number 7 and paper number 8 as the two theory papers which you are going to study in your third semester. Paper 7 consists of, or the name of paper 7 is given as mathematical physics, statistical physics and relativity. As you know, there are 4 chapters for each paper. The first chapter is differentiation and ordinary differential equation. The weightage of this chapter, or we have to complete this chapter in 10 lectures. The contents of the topic I have already given you in the e-book of the syllabus. The second chapter is statistical basis and classical statistics. So this is a new topic which you may not be aware of till now. So first we are going to study what is statistics in this chapter, and then we are going to learn the classical statistics, which is based on the classical theory of physics. So we have to complete this topic in 12 lectures. The third topic is quantum statistics, and it contains the statistics which is based on quantum mechanics of physics. And the last topic is theory of relativity, the famous Einstein's equation that everybody knows, E is equal to mc square. So we are going to learn that particular equation and the relevance of theory of relativity, like time dilation, length contraction, all these things in the last chapter. So in all, we have to complete all the 4 chapters in total 45 lectures. Similarly, we have the paper 8, and the name of the paper is Modern and Nuclear Physics. Again, there are 4 topics. The first is photoelectric effect. You all are aware of this photoelectric effect in 12th standard. So we are going to learn little more of what you have learned in 12th standard in this topic. Again, this topic comprises of the different concepts which we have to cover in 10 lectures. The second topic of paper 8 is X-rays. So all of you know X-rays are discovered by Rontgen, and we are going to learn the properties of X-rays and the uses of X-rays in this topic. The third topic is of nuclear forces and models. It has to be covered in 15 lectures, and the last topic is particle accelerators and detectors that we have to study in 10 lectures. So overall, if you see the papers, the name given are the suitable, or the contents which we are going to learn in this topic, they are of the same thing. So the first chapter is of mathematical physics. Chapter 2 and 3, they are of statistical physics, and chapter 4 is of relativity. So the name given is mathematical physics, statistical physics and relativity. Similarly, in this paper, we are going to learn modern and nuclear physics. The first 2 topics are belonging to modern physics, and chapter 3 and 4 we are going to have from nuclear physics. So as usual, we are going to learn all these total papers in 90 lectures, and I hope you will be with me in this journey of online learning which we are going to do because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So all the best and see you. Thank you.